Hi children, welcome back to the Max class. So this video is done with the fourth arithmetic operation, that is division of fractions. So there are a number of examples to be done for division and so many of you are confused and so many of you have so many questions in your mind regarding this division. So let us solve all those problems here. Division of fractions. Okay, so let me take so I have taken two fractions here under division. Usually like how unlike fractions don't have any procedure, they are simply first converted into like fractions and then we do the same as in like fractions. In the similar way, even for division, we don't have a particular way because fractions cannot be divided. You cannot write as a quotient or as a dividend. You cannot divide them, write quotients for that. Is that clear? So there are no tables existing for fractions. So what I tell you is there is a procedure here to convert this division into multiplication. So as we saw in the previous video, you know how to multiply the fractions. So multiplication is the only procedure where we can follow to solve both multiplication and division. So firstly, what I tell you is first write the first fraction which is given. Write the fraction as it is. Write the fraction as it is. And now convert the symbol of division. Write the symbol of division into multiplication. So I am writing the question once again. That means I am converting the whole of the question into multiplication. So you try to understand. First fraction should be written as it is. Then write the division symbol as multiplication. And now write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Reciprocal of the second fraction. Reciprocal in the sense, we write the denominator of this as numerator and the numerator as denominator. That means we reverse them. Is that clear? That is called reciprocal. Okay. So reciprocal of that. Now I converted my question of division into multiplication. And here from here onwards, I follow the same method where 5, it cannot be cancelled with this, but it can be cancelled. So 5 ones are and 5 fours are, 3 ones are, 3 6 are, and now this 4 and 2 also can be cancelled, but similarly first let me write 4 and 6 are remain because 1 times of 4 is 4, 1 times of 6 is 6. So here 2 table, 2 times and 3 times. In 2 table if you cancel, it will cancel for 2 times and 3 times. So it becomes 2 by 3 where this is the simplest form. Okay, so you may wonder, I'm not sure whether you have queries or not, but I have queries. I'll ask you a question. Why should we write the reciprocal of the second fraction only? So many of you have that, and you know some of the children, they simply they'll write the first fraction as a reciprocal and they'll be doing it. They'll see the second fraction I wrote as it is, first fraction I wrote the reciprocal. They'll write like this. I'll show you the difference why we should not write. See, 5 ones are, 5 fours are, 3 ones are, 3 6 are, and 2 threes are, 2 twos are. So here the answer is 3 by 2. So is the answer same, children? No. Yes, sir. So in order to avoid the confusions and in order to get the similar answer for everyone, there is a method that the first fraction should not be converted into its reciprocal. So the first fraction will be written as it is, and as you change the symbol, the arithmetic operation, so after changing the symbol, the fraction which is after the symbol, you have to write the reciprocal for that. So that gives you the similar answer for everyone. Okay. So if you think that why shouldn't I write the first fraction, you get a wrong answer. Is that clear? But actually this is only the answer here and this is how you divide. Okay. So this is the way how you write. There are some children who make a lot of mistakes when the whole number is given for the division. When the whole number is given for the division. Whole number is given for the division in the sense, see, suppose 5 by 7 divided by 20. I wrote one whole number. So there is 20 here. Okay, so there is 20 here. First thing what I have to do is write by 1. What is your first step? Make the whole number also as a fraction. And then you continue doing your procedure. So make it as a fraction, and then now as it is now going to the procedure, we have to convert this into the multiplication. So write the first fraction as it is. Change the symbol. Write the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal for 20 by 1 now? 1 by 20. Okay, 1 by 20. And now you see 5 will go for 1 time and 5 will go for 4 times. Unless that we don't have any other numbers. So when you don't have other numbers, you don't worry. Once you don't have any other numbers, multiply 1 time of 1. 1 times of 1 by 7 times of 4. Write all the numerators and denominators which are there. And then you multiply them. 1 by 28. 1 by 7 fours are 28. This is how you do with the whole number. Whole number, if it is there, you have to do. If you may have a doubt, if this whole number, same whole number is given in front, that is in the first. In the first if it is given. So, what should we do? Okay, what should we do here? So, if it is given in the first thing, you will just simply write, suppose if this is the number, see I have written. First, what did I tell you? If a whole number is there, for any arithmetic operations of the fractions, write that by 1 and convert that also as a fraction first. Then you continue your procedure. 35 by 1 times, change the sign, write the reciprocal 3 by 7. Okay, and now start cancelling. 7 ones are and 7 fives are. Write the remaining numerator, multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator, where it gives you the answer 15 by 1. Ultimately the answer is 15. So you may get as a fractions or you may get as a whole numbers, whatever it is. Even if the first number is a whole number, please don't change it and write it as a fraction, only the second one. So once again I am recalling the things. Children, for division, there is no specific procedure for division, for dividing the fractions. So that is the reason why we are converting the division question into the multiplication question. How means we write the first fraction, convert the division symbol into the multiplication symbol, and then we write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, reciprocal of the second fraction, and then we continue the procedure of multiplication, cancelling them in the same tables and writing the remaining numerator and denominator, multiplying with the remaining numerators and denominators. This is how you do the divisions of fractions. Please don't get confused, children. Okay, is that clear, all of you? Yes. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe. And if you have any other queries or any other topics to be explained regarding any class up till 10, you are free to ask me. Please send me in my comment section for making my channel more successful. Thank you.